Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy ZBCN on Coinbase wallet. First, make sure your Coinbase wallet is set up and ready to go. You'll need to transfer some cryptocurrency, like Ethereum or Polygon, into your wallet. These are the funds you'll use to swap for ZBCN. It's a straightforward process to get your wallet funded and prepared for the exciting steps ahead. Next, open the D-app browser right inside your Coinbase wallet. You'll want to find a decentralized exchange that supports ZBCN, like Uniswap or another reputable platform. Once you're on the exchange's website, look for the Connect Wallet button. Tap that, and then select Coinbase Wallet to link your funds securely to the exchange, preparing for your swap. Now for the exciting part, swapping for ZBCN. On the decentralized exchange, choose the cryptocurrency you're swapping from, such as Ethereum or Polygon. Then, you'll need to input the ZBCN token contract address into the to field. Always double-check this address for accuracy to avoid any issues. Enter how much ZBCN you want, carefully review the transaction details, and prepare to confirm your purchase. Finally, it's time to confirm your transaction. Your Coinbase wallet will pop up, showing you all the details, including any gas fees associated with the swap. Make sure everything looks correct before you approve the transaction. Once approved, your ZBCN tokens will appear in your wallet shortly. Always be vigilant and double-check token addresses to ensure your assets are safe and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.